Residents of Pomeroon Supinam on Monday received cleaning and sanitation hampers from the Civil Defense Commission as part of flood recovery efforts. A press release from the CDC stated that 241 households along the Pomeroon River were impacted. The affected communities are Jacklow, Kaiburi, Manakuru, Dredge Creek, Cross Canal, and David Scheme Dam. Regional Chair of Region 2, Vilma De Silva, said the flooding was caused by excess rainfall and was reported a week ago. She stated that assessments were conducted and the intervention by the CDC was welcomed.
The distribution by the CDC, I think it's timely because, of course, flooding, as you know, that's one of the areas that would cause a lot of like waterborne sickness, and I think the hampers that the CDC has given is very beneficial at this time.
The regional engineer conducted an assessment and a medical team visited the region on Monday. Dr. Ranjiv Singh, Regional Health Officer of Region 2, said the distribution of the hampers is very timely for the residents.
I think with that, the hampers can ease the pressure off of them. Some of them are frustrated because their crops and their livestock were damaged. And so this hamper, while it may not be a big something, but it is definitely going to impact positively on the lives of those people there.
Dr. Singh said the region will put measures in place to prevent the spread of diseases.
We want to help the people with probably some assistance in water treatment, educating them on how they should use the water in terms of boiling it before usage and so on, so that they can prevent these diseases.
Residents of the affected communities expressed their gratitude to the CDC for the hampers. Mr. Franklin John, resident of Dredge Creek, applauded the initiative by the CDC.
I'm so thankful to know that you bring things to like sanitize and medication. I don't know, but it is thankful for us, and I believe it is good.
Resident Claudette John expressed her gratitude to the persons behind the initiative.
We thank God for these people who bring this little thing here for us.
In Cross Canal and Upper Dredge Creek, there were reports of damage to cash crops, permanent crops, and subsistence farms. There were also cases of vomiting and diarrhea in Cross Canal. Residents have been affected by continuous flooding for a number of years. They believe that the problem can be solved with the cleaning of canals and drainage repairs to dams, cokers, and other developments.